Hi friends. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful bathroom wall tiles designs. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to share the latest price of bathroom tiles designs and which are the best brands are available and the pro installation tips and their advantages. So friends, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. So friends, while selecting the bathroom tiles, you should be careful because bathroom wall tiles are ultimate water resistance. So bathrooms are the humidity hotspots, but tiles like ceramic or porcelain create a waterproof barrier, so keeping moisture from seeping into the walls and causing the damage. So no paint or any costly repairs is required. These tiles are mostly are rock solid durability, so made from the tough materials. So always check the tiles quality. And tiles not only enhance your bathroom interior designs, but they also protect our walls from leakage or stains. And also tiles are effortless cleaning, so wipe down with a damp cloth and a mild soap. Also, it has some endless style options, so from glossy metallics that bounce light to textures, 3D designs for depth, your digital tiles. So friends, you can select as per your choice and requirement. So friends, now we're going to discuss about the price. Actually, the price totally depends upon the designs and the brands and the quality of the tiles. So friends, if you want to go with the branded tiles, so actually the price starts from each box, it will cost you almost 400 to 450 rupees. And if you want to go with the local brands, so it will cost 200 to 250 rupees. So friends, it totally depends upon your choice. My suggestion is that go with the local brands also if your problem is about the budget, so go with the local brands. They also have the good quality of tiles and the price also there starts from 200 rupees per box. So friends, in each box there are total 6 tiles and the per tile size is 12 by 18. That means it covers total 1.5 square feet area, which is length will be 1 feet and width will be 1.5. So there are the 6 tiles in a box. So per box it will cover 9 square feet of area of your bathroom wall tiles. So if you will divide this as calculate the per square feet rate, so it will cost you almost 25 rupees per square feet. And so for fixing we require labor charges. So for installing, the labor charges currently are 20 rupees per square feet. So friends, let's assume that our total bathroom wall size is 100 square feet, so it will cost almost 5000 rupees, which everything is included like bathroom wall tiles and the labor charges and extra material which is required like white cement. So this is the way you can calculate. So friends, but you want, if you want to go with the branded tiles, so there are the best and good quality of branded tiles are available in the market. So Kazaria Ceramics is the good one, and second Somani, third if you want to go with the HR Johnson, Orient Bells, even Simpolo is a good brand of tiles. These brands use a cutting edge tech for fade proof colors and easily installs. So for their price you can check out their website. Friends, now we're going to discuss about the installation process. So always prepare like clean walls, thoroughly fix the cracks and apply a waterproof membrane, and always select the right size. So measure up twice for big bathrooms, smaller for compact ones to avoid the wastage. So select as per your bathroom size. And third point is to remember is the safety. So option for the glossy walls, but anti-squid if blending with the floor you're taking the tiles. So always take the floor tiles of anti-squid. Another is the adhesive. So always take the good quality of adhesive for strong bonds. Mix the fresh, apply with the notch trowel and press tiles firmly. So friends, another point is the grout and the seals. So always wait for 24 hours post installation, then apply the stain proof grout. So friends, these are the points to remember before installing. So if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, if you are looking for a bathroom commode designs, it is also most important part of the bathroom to enhance your bathroom interior design. See there, you can see there the beautiful designs are available. So for commode, there are best brands are available like Clay Plus, Plantex Ceramic, Solona. So friends, you can check out online. You will get beautiful designs are available like Vardhaman Ceramics. So you can select as per your choice, as per your designs selected. And in the online, you will get the discounted price also. So you can check out the online price. Friends, you have good brands are available. You can check out their price and color combinations which you require. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.